If we were to talk about the most terrifying place on Earth, it would undoubtedly be the Amazon rainforest, located in the Amazon basin in South America. It covers an area of 7 million square kilometers and is often referred to as the lungs of the Earth. As the largest rainforest on the planet, danger lurks everywhere. There are unheard of species of animals and plants, numbering in the tens of thousands, and the dense vegetation creates a living, moving maze. Sitting lost here is almost certain doom. Coupled with the perpetually dark and humid environment, it provides ideal conditions for both flora and fauna. The Amazon rainforest is not only home to countless mosquitoes, but it also harbors disease-carrying bats and hosts treacherous underground rivers. During heavy rain, numerous hidden rivers change course, and if you accidentally stumble into one, it's almost certainly a death sentence. In addition to these natural hazards, the snakes, insects, and rodents here are no pushovers. Every inch of exposed skin will attract swarms of mosquitoes that not only bite, but also transmit diseases like malaria and dengue fever. The myriad of bullet ants is another nightmare. A single bite from them will be unforgettable for a lifetime, but the most terrifying creatures are numerous. If you're not careful, you might encounter creatures that can strip a cow down to its bones in seconds. There are also electric eels capable of releasing 800 volts of electricity in an instant, enough to incapacitate you. Sneaky black caimans lie in wait and can snap you in half with a single bite. Under the dark, wet deluge of rain, countless pairs of eyes watch you from the shadows. The highly agile jaguars are skilled at hunting crocodiles, and there are the horrifying candiru, known for their parasitic habits. They feed on blood and love to burrow into orifices such as the ear, nose, and anus, particularly drawn to human urine. Once inside, the only solution is surgical removal. Apart from these threats, the deep reaches of the Amazon rainforest are also home to the world's largest snake, the anaconda, which can easily swallow a person whole. If you're lucky enough to avoid being swallowed, there are also the deadliest poison dart frogs in the world. Despite being the size of 2 women's thumbs, their venom is potent enough to kill 10 grown adults and cause organ failure within 20 minutes. Furthermore, deep within the forest, primitive tribes still exist, practicing the most ancient forms of barbarity. So the question is, would you dare to venture into this place for $1 million?